Thank you.
Hey everybody, this is Schmidty's Kettle here. Thanks for watching and subscribing, guys. Please like and hit the follow button. This is how I make a Smokey Cheddar, and here I put in a little bit of sugar. This is about 12 cups of popcorn, and I just put in a little bit of sugar just to get that crunch in, guys. And with this one here, with the cheese flavors, you see here the sifter. My helper Mia is actually covering the sifter up and making it nice and clean for the next flavor. And with the flavors, guys, I do the kettle corn first, the caramel corn, and then I do the cheese flavors, and I also do the Old Bay. I do the Old Bay after the caramel corn, and I wipe and clean, or have my helper wipe and clean all of the sifter down. Cheese flavors, guys, there's two ways to do it. You can use this food safe bin, which I've used in my former videos, and use it. This is the food safe bin, but with this method, actually using the trash bag is a little bit faster. So I put everything, wait for everything to cool off, and I put everything in the trash bag, and then I throw the flavors in, and I shake it around, and I taste it, and then I dump it into the sifter. And then once I'm done dumping it all in, I shake it around and make sure that there's a two taste. I probably use about anywhere between 2.5 cups, between 2.5 cups of the flavoring, depending on which flavors. Some of them require more, some of them require less. And then again, after a while you doing this, you'll know what tastes good and what does not taste good. And also, sometimes the flavors require sugar, and sometimes they don't. So it's all a matter of, learning as you go along here. And with the batch and a half, guys, the batch and a half is about 12 cups of corn. I get about anywhere between 15 and 16 bags of popcorn. So that alone is about 16 bags times 10. That's about $160 right there. So if you're thinking, okay, I'm just going to sell kettle corn. Well, man, my average really goes up. If I was just doing kettle corn, I'd probably maybe only do a couple $100. But if I got cheese corn and I got pork rinds, this is what really makes me stand out between somebody else selling just kettle corn. And there's a lot of guys who just sell kettle corn. I have friends who just sell kettle corn, but I sell the caramel corn, the glazed pop, and I sell the cheese popcorn. And my second best seller is the white cheddar. And heck, man, I'm thinking about changing my name to actually white cheddar because of how good that thing sells, man. It sells right off the shelf.
You know what I'm talking about. quiet. I'm yeah, right?
Guys, this is how I make my smoky cheddar. In fact, it's actually called bacon cheddar by Gold Medal, but I call it smoky cheddar because there's no actual bacon in it. And I got tired of actually being asked 400 times a day if there's actual bacon in it, so I called it smoky cheddar, and that actually stopped the questions. And thanks for watching and following, guys. I'll have more videos coming out shortly about the update on my transit. I'll also have a GoFundMe page if anybody was willing to donate. And I really appreciate everybody following my page. I almost have 3,000 subscribers, guys. Thanks a lot.